Hello, student. Myself, Roshan, and good morning to all. Today, I am going to teach you the detailed topic of tags. The tags in HTML. HTML is a language mostly useful for making the web pages. After combining the web pages, we can create our website. How can we combine with the HTML? There are different tags available in HTML language. By using that type of tags, we can combine the different web pages together by the use of hyperlink tag. We say it as anchor tag. Before learn that tag, first we see the different basic tags available in HTML language. Before that, I have already told you that HTML is a hypertext markup language. Markup, at that time I have given the example in my last video, but today I also try to give you one best example. Before learn the HTML tag, firstly we have to think why we use the tag. Tags are useful in HTML to write the HTML code. We can write or type the code inside the software called Notepad. Instead of Notepad, there are many softwares available in the market like Edit 3 Plus or many more softwares. For making our web page, firstly we have to design into our mind how our web page should be displayed. For that, take a pen and paper. Over that, create your decided web page design. As per the design, you can create your web page in the proper manner. Firstly, for that we have to do coding part inside the HTML document that we will type inside the notepad. HTML document is made up of large number of codes. That code is written in the form of tags. So tag is very important. What is the tag? The tag is the word which having the special meaning that will be useful to change our document within the given tag. Tags are two types. The first type of tag is start tag and the second type of tag is end tag. First, I am going to discuss about the start tag. Start tag is that type of tag which do not close. Means there is no need to close that type of tag. That only opens the tag. The other name for the start tag is also open tag. We can say open tag is the name for the start tag. The example for the start tag is HR tag or BR tag. How can we type or write the tag? Tag name is enclosed within the less than and greater than bracket. So first we take the less than, then the name of the tag and greater than sign from our keyboard into the Notepad software. By using Shift key and the less than and greater than symbol from the keyboard, we can give the tag into the Notepad software. The different uses of the tags are: it can give wherever necessary inside your HTML document. I have told HTML document so many times. So what you mean by the HTML document? HTML document is the coding part of the web page, what you are typing or what you are designing inside the Notepad. It's called the Notepad HTML document. Document, we already know that text editor, inside we type anything called the document. If we are typing the HTML coding, then it will called HTML document. Then we will see the first example, HR tag. HR tag is the horizontal rule tag that will be useful for displaying the horizontal line over our web page. Whenever we create our web page, firstly decide where you want to put the single horizontal line. There you should have to give the tag name HR tag. Its name is horizontal rule. We can change its properties or its attribute also, as we can change its width and its size. If we want to display the horizontal line up to some specific size or up to some percentage, 20% of the web page, it will display only the 20% size, or we can change its width. Its width we can show very clearly at the attribute inside the tag HR tag. I will show the example with the practical in my next videos. We will see different type of tags in our different videos, but today now we are discussing only about the tags. The second example of the start tag is BR tag. BR tag is called the break tag, which will be useful to get the line break. Whenever you see or you watch the page over the browser, that time if you want to separate the different lines, whenever you create the code, that time you should have to put the tag name BR, which will useful to break the line. BR tag, it is most important tag while typing the content of the web page. First decide where you want to break the line. You can type in a single line, but you can type a single line with a different break tag, but whenever you will see over the web page which will be displayed over the browser. About browser I have told before my some video. You can see what are the browsers. So you can see over the browser your web page will be displayed the different line where you already have put the break tag. If I am going to write a name and if I want to shift his surname to the next line, then I should have to write the break tag before its surname while typing the coding inside the Notepad software. We say it as HTML document. In my next video or whenever I will say HTML document, then you have to think that while typing or inside the Notepad coding, the HTML tags and its code has written is called the HTML document. The next type of tag is the end tag, or we can say it as start tag and end tag. Means it is combined operation of starting and ending tag. It should have to start the tag and it should have to end the tag. It's called the end tag, or we say it as open tag and close tag. Keep it in your mind. For the end tag we say start tag and end tag, or open tag and close tag are the different names for that type of tag. The types of different tags will be useful for you for given the specific changes to the specific word or character or a number or a single sentence. You can change, or you can change the part of your document. Whatever you want to display in the with the different change, you can give the start tag before that and end tag after that. For example, we can think, if I want to change the color of the name of the student, for that I should have to put the font color tag. If I want to give the blue color to the name of the person and I don't want to give the color to the person's name, then that time I should have to put the font color is equal to double inverted comma blue double inverted comma close and complete the tag. Then I should have to write the name of the person. After writing only the name, there should be closed the font tag. Font tag or any other tag will be closed with the help of slash. Slash will be useful for ending the tag. What the name you have already taken when the tag start, that same name should type at the end tag, but changes only is to apply the slash at the end tag. You can see the example over the screen very clearly. From that you can learn basically what the different tags do, their operations very clearly. You can use different tags and different procedures as per your need. HTML supports us to develop our web page as per our designing. We can change the size, color, background color, and our designed a web page. That type of web page can be created with the help of our coding system. We can type our code inside the Notepad. The Notepad is very basically available in all the Windows system. You can use your home computer called personal computer PC, or you can use your laptop for creating different web pages. You can see different videos over the internet also. You can use the Google software, and you should have to write in your notebook whatever you learned for the HTML course. I will always try to give you the better knowledge as per my knowledge, and I am ready to solve your all types of problem, whatever you want, whenever necessary. You put your comments over the YouTube at the ending of the video. After watching, you should have to practice over the computer, or if you don't having the computer, that time you should create the web page, and step by step you should have to think what will be the output of that page. For that, best of luck student for your future, and the next video will useful for you for using the different tags. Today just I am going to explain the format for the HTML coding is already given over the screen. The format for the coding is useful for you to type the code. For that, the first tag is HTML. HTML tags is useful to write the HTML coding, or you can create your HTML web page for the development of the website. For creating the web pages, firstly you have to type the HTML tag, and this is the second type of tag, so it should be close. In between the HTML start tag and end tag, there will be the coding. From that coding, the next part is title part. We should have to give the title for our web page. That time the title tag will useful. In between title start and title end tag, you should have to give the name of the title. Inside you can give the heading for the web page also. The head tag, start tag and head close tag will enclose within the title tag, and it will help to give the heading to our web page. It will display over the different tags. You can see the name of the web page over the title bar, which you have given the title to the page. And the main section is the body section. Body start tag and body end tag will be used after the end of the title tag. The body section is very important because the body section tells us the blank area what you are watching over the screen and what you want to display over your website, or you can display over the web page the corner part from the left corner, top corner, bottom corner, and the right top corner and bottom corner of the blank white area shows us the web page. So inside the web page, where you want the different words or image, or you can show the different aspects related to your web page, you have to design inside the body tag. Body tag will say you that design your web page inside the body tag, because body tag is very important. Inside you can change the body color, that will change your web page background color. You can change the body BG color is equal to red. that will display your web page background into the red color. You can use different attribute inside the body tag. Only the body tag will display the web page. And this is the proper method to write the coding inside the body tag. Where is your body tag? You can see over the screen very clearly. Inside the body tag you can type your whole code and you can see whatever changes you want to do and whatever changes you want. First, design your page over a blank page on your notebook and then try to write the coding into the computer. If you don't having the computer, I already told you that design your page over the notebook also and create your coding over the notebook. You can see the different changes inside your mobile, and if you want to do some practicals, you can use some mobile apps also with that for coding system, and you can see the web pages. Okay, thank you student for watching this video, and please subscribe the video for getting latest updates about our subject. Okay, thank you very much. Hello student, only the change is the start tag is called the empty tag. Keep it in your mind, and the end tag, which can start and close, is called the container tag. This two sentence is very important from the today's topic. Please keep it in your mind that start tag that only starts is called the empty tag, and the second type of tag is the container tag. These are the two sentences are very main sentence for writing in your exam. So please keep it in your mind. Thank you.